If you're thinking about or have recently started a career in teaching yoga, you're probably feeling overwhelmed. Who knew that being a yoga instructor would actually be more than just teaching yoga? As a certified yoga teacher, you can teach a yoga class safely and with a lot of confidence. But when it comes to business, finance, and marketing, you sometimes feel like you're in way over your head. Left unchecked, this lack of business knowledge leaves many yogis feeling very paralyzed. Some of my top graduates would struggle to earn a living once they arrive back home after yoga teacher training. With so many yoga teachers out there who have already had a head start, how do you stand out and create a successful yoga career? Without guidance or a roadmap, starting a yoga business in today's world can be beyond challenging. The Business Course for Yogis is designed to be just that, an actionable guide to help you start and run a purposeful and profitable yoga business that's built around your dreams. A business that is focused on your strengths, vision, and the difference you want to make. You'll learn what makes you stand out in the yoga industry, what your X factor is, and what makes you a professional in your niche. Understand the customer journey and create sustainable business funnels that continuously bring in high-paying clients. Learn the finances behind what it takes to run a successful and profitable yoga business, and a step-by-step action plan for setting up your marketing channels for maximum return on your investment. Before you can share your yoga teachings and knowledge with the world, you have to have the correct business plan in place so that you can reach those who are looking for your unique gifts. This course guides you by not only empowering your yoga career, so it's not only successful in reaching others, but also supports you and those you love.